Hey there, I'm Kathy Flynn from Thriving with Autism, and this is the Autism Minute. In today's minute lesson, I'm going to talk to you about a very important strategy, motivating your child to come to a table to sit down and work on skills. So, in order to do this, you need to put your child's favorite items on the table, which you only give your child access to when he or she comes and sits down. This way, the table becomes super reinforcing and a fun place to be. Like this. So here's an example of having reinforcing items at the table. Your child can clearly see a clear plastic bin. You can have any of your child's favorite things in here. I have some slime, some sensory materials, and some favorite snacks. In this case, I have pretzels and Oreos, but you would put in the favorite toys and snacks that your child loves. And that's the Autism Minute, Lesson 1.